This monitor right here excels in color accuracy, while this one is specially built for editing in 5K. But among these 10, which one is the best choice for photo editing? Let's find out. If you need a monitor that nails color accuracy, this BenQ one is a good pick. The 32-inch 4K display delivers lifelike colors with BenQ's AQ color tech and factory calibration, giving you true-to-life results right out of the box. It covers 95% of the DCI-P3 and 100% of sRGB color spaces, making it ideal for serious editors. The built-in 2.1 audio system adds rich sound without needing external speakers. You also get USB-C connectivity, Mac-friendly color modes, and a fully adjustable stand. The only drawback? Its 60 Hz refresh rate isn't for gamers, but for photo and light video work, it's spot on. Creatives who need a color-accurate monitor on the go get the ViewSonic VP1656. This 16-inch portable display features a 16:10 screen with Pantone validation, keeping colors true for design, video editing, or photo work. Weighing just 3 pounds and less than an inch thick, it fits easily into backpacks or bags. USB-C handles power, video, and audio through a single cable, cutting clutter and simplifying setups. The adjustable stand, tripod mount, monitor hood, and protective case add versatility for any workspace. Fully calibrated right out of the box, it delivers professional-grade color accuracy wherever you are. Compact, precise, and portable, the VP1656 keeps your creative workflow smooth and efficient. If you edit photos for hours, the Asus ProArt Display OLED makes every image worth it. This 32-inch 4K screen delivers rich contrast and lifelike tones that stay true across your work. With 99% DCI-P3 coverage and factory calibration, colors look natural and consistent from shot to shot. The OLED panel reveals fine shadows and bright highlights, giving your edits real depth. Its 1000 nits brightness keeps details clear even in daylight. You also get Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and HDMI ports for easy setup. Every photo editor who values accuracy will find this display a true upgrade. The Samsung Viewfinity S80 gives photo editors a bright, wide canvas to work on. Its 37-inch 4K UHD display offers more space than standard 32-inch monitors, making it easier to compare shots and manage tools side by side. With over 1 billion colors and HDR10 support, your photos look vibrant and true to life. The USB-C port delivers up to 90 watts of power while transferring data, keeping your setup clean and simple. A built-in KVM switch lets you control 2 devices from one screen, perfect for multitasking. The flicker-free, eye-friendly design keeps long editing sessions comfortable and effortless. See every detail in breathtaking 6K with the Acer Procreator PE0. Its QD-OLED panel brings unmatched clarity and true-to-life colors for photo editors who demand precision. With 99% DCI-P3 and AdobeRGB coverage, your images stay consistent from screen to print. Motion is silky smooth thanks to a 240 Hz refresh rate and FreeSync/G-Sync support, perfect when zooming or adjusting large files. Compact design and USB-C connectivity make it easy to move or pair with a laptop for on-the-go editing. Touchscreen with MPP 2.0 stylus and Creator Hub lets you fine-tune every detail effortlessly. Photographers who need exact colors will love the BenQ SW272U. Factory calibration and Pantone validation ensure every shade looks true and consistent. The shading hood reduces glare, helping you see tones clearly, while the wireless hotkey puck makes switching color modes fast and simple. Paper Color Sync previews how images appear on different surfaces, saving time during edits. USB-C keeps your workspace tidy while powering your laptop. The fully adjustable stand lets you work comfortably for hours. Every detail of this monitor is designed to give photographers precise control and reliable color accuracy. This monitor is special for creators who need precision and versatility. The Philips Brilliance offers a 5K display with ultra-fine detail and true-to-life colors, covering 99.5% AdobeRGB and 99% DCI-P3. Calm and Ready calibration keeps your colors consistent across projects. Thunderbolt 4. Connectivity handles power, video, and data in one cable, keeping your workspace tidy. HDR 600 enhances contrast for richer shadows and brighter highlights. A built-in 5-megapixel auto-framing webcam keeps you centered for calls and live reviews. With sharp resolution, accurate colors, and smart features, This monitor adapts perfectly to editing, design, animation, and hybrid workflows. If you are a gamer who does editing occasionally, the LG UltraGear 32 G810SA fits both needs. Its 32-inch 4K display shows every detail clearly, with HDR bringing out subtle tones and rich contrast. A 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response keep panning and zooming smooth when working with large files, while FreeSync Premium and G-Sync support prevent stutter. WebOS lets you stream content or access reference images without switching devices. AI enhances visuals and color automatically, so your photos look sharp. This monitor gives you precise editing and a seamless gaming experience in one setup. For Dell enthusiasts seeking a top-tier monitor for photo editing, the UltraSharp brings unmatched clarity, comfort, and professional-grade precision. Its 32-inch 4K display with enhanced IPS black technology and a 3000:1 contrast ratio ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and razor-sharp details, perfect for critical color work. Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, 140-watt power delivery, and a built-in KVM switch streamline your workflow, while daisy chaining, pop-out quick-access ports, and exceptional color accuracy make it ideal for long editing sessions that demand precision and reliability. For multitaskers and occasional photo editors, the MSI Pro MP273U offers crisp 27-inch 4K UHD visuals. Its IPS panel keeps colors consistent from wide angles, while a rich color gamut ensures editing and design work looks accurate. HDR enhances contrast and shadows for more vibrant visuals. MSI IQ Check reminds you to rest your eyes during long sessions. Budget-friendly and versatile, this monitor handles productivity, creative tasks, and casual 4K photo editing efficiently, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants quality without overspending. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextCube Tech channel.